Justin selects the group assignment button and picks assignment 1 to work on. Once on the assignment 1 page, he reads the case study given to him and selects which part of the assignment he wants to do. Justin chooses part 1, which is individual training, and notices that on that page there are images on the left that he needs to drag and drop to the answer board on the right. Taps on it and writes a justification for why he sorted that image in that position. He then proceeds to do the following for all the other images. He clicks on the submit button and is then given a prompt to confirm that he has submitted his answer. Skylar returns to finish off part 2 of the assignment. She clicks on the team coordination button and is directed to where she left off on question 4. She clicks on the text box and types in her answer. Once finished, she clicks on the next button to move on to the next question. She then once again proceeds to answer her question, but in the midst of it, gets a call from the office saying that there's a family emergency and she needs to leave right away. She then decides to click the save and exit button to save her work and return back to the group assignment page. Skylar decides to give feedback on her groupmate's assignment, so she clicks the feedback button on the system and is directed to the feedback page. Once here, she clicks on the individual training part on Jono's name to give feedback on part 1 of his assignment. Once here, she clicks on the post-it note and taps on a section of the screen to add a feedback note to his answer. She writes in a justification and adds an arrow to the relevant image on his answers. She then decides to add another note to another part of his assignment, reading the justification first and then providing feedback on it later. She drags an arrow to point to his image to verify which answer she's providing feedback on. She types in her justification and clicks on the submit button. She then confirms her submission and goes back to the feedback page. She then decides to give feedback on the second part of the assignment, which was team coordination. In this case, she decides to just type a comment down the bottom of the screen where everyone else has posted comments and submits an answer. Once submitted, she's redirected back to the feedback page. Skylar then decides to review her own feedback, clicks on part 1 of the assignment, reads her feedback on part 1 of the assignment and clicks done. She reads a review from part 2 and clicks done. Finally, she decides to post a little message in the group chat to thank everyone for their feedback. Once here, she clicks on the home button to return back to the home page.